Hello students, today I'm going to teach you about a very interesting but also a reappearing question in your board exams, and that is extraction of aluminium's Bayer's process, where we learn how to obtain alumina from bauxite. Okay, so students, as we know, Bayer's process is about filtration, processing of bauxite. Now, what is bauxite? Bauxite is Al2O3 dot 2H2O. That is the formula of bauxite. How we start with the step 1? Step 1 is adding bauxite to NaOH. That is your concentrated alkali or a base. So, once I write this in my exam, now comes the tricky part. To remember these 3 steps. So for that tricky part, let me give you a trick. The trick is, first, step 1 has 2 products. Step 2 also has 2 products. Step 3, by the way, also has 2 products. Now step 1 you have to remember properly. Okay. So what will we get? It is Al2O3 plus NaOH. So we'll get NaAlO2, that is sodium aluminate, plus water, H2O. Simple enough? Chalo. What's the next step? Next step is also a trick. You have to remember whatever new product you get should be your reactant in the next step. New product, reactant in the next step. So what's new for me here? Both are new. NaLO2 plus H2O. Because ये दोनों मुझे यहाँ पे तो नहीं मिल रहा है, right? H2O is there, but it is in combined form. So individual H2O, individual NaLO2 will be my reactants. So NaAlO2 plus H2O. Next step is whatever products, whatever reactants you see here, one of them will be the product in second step, another will be the product in the third step. Isn't it easy? Let's see how. So this NaOH will be repeated here. NaOH, and this will be repeated here. See, Al2O3 plus H2O. See, almost half of my reaction is done. Now let's go with the blanks over here. What will I fill here? See, sodium, oxygen and hydrogen is already used up. So what are we left with? We are left with aluminium, some amount of oxygen and hydrogen. Let's combine them. Al, O and H. What is the valency of aluminium? 3. Valency of OH? 1. So let's go for crisscross method to obtain this byproduct AlOH thrice. Then next step, whatever is new for me here will be my reactant. So NaOH I have already seen. So new is only AlOH thrice. So this will be taken over here. So AlOH thrice. अब एक tension आ गया students. What is that tension? See, for this I have this to react with. For this I have this to react with. But for this I have nothing to react with. तो याद रखना केमिस्ट्री में इसका कोई नहीं होता. उसका कौन होता है? Heat. And you have to be very precise over here. It is 1000 degree Celsius. And that's it. Your Bayer's process, which comes for 3 marks in exam, is done with. The only thing left is balancing, which we can do very easily. Now, since we are done with Bayer's process, we also have Hall's process. Now, what is Hall's process? A cheaper method to produce this product over here. By the way, what is this product? This is alumina. So, to produce this, instead of NaOH, Hall and Herold, 2 scientists, they went for another base, and that is Na2CO3. What is it? Na2CO3. The reaction starts with the same Al2O3 dot 2H2O. That's your bauxite. And the trick remains the same. Pehla trick. All the 3 steps will have 2 products. Dusra trick. First reaction I have to remember properly. That is, I get NaAlO2 plus H2O. But since we have a carbonate over here, you get one extra product, byproduct, that is carbon dioxide. What was the next trick? Whatever is new for me here should be my reactant over here, right? So what's new for me over here, all three are new for me. I have not seen these individually here, right? So let me write that NaAlO2 plus H2O plus CO2. Then the trick, जो भी यहाँ पे दोनों चीज मिल रहा है उसमें से one thing will be here and that aluminium वाला thing will be at the last. So one thing here will be Na2CO3. Last में it will be Al2O3 plus H2O. अब इसको कैसे फिल करेंगे हम लोग? Do you remember that? Na used up, carbon used up, oxygen used up. What are we left with? Aluminium, oxygen, hydrogen. And do not worry कि सर एक है ज़्यादा है. We have to balance this later on. So don't worry about that. Finally, what is new over here? It is AlOH thrice, same like this Bayer's process. And then again, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका होता है heat. And that's it. We are done with Hall's process as well. The only thing left is balancing. We'll balance these equations and our 3 marks are secured in exam. Chalo, all the best students.